It is 2023. The financial market is open, and many traders and financial institutions are getting back to trading after a good break. This is your time to get your mindset right early, to have a good and profitable trading year. Any success you ever want to reach this year will only depend on your mindset. The next few points are your blueprint to becoming a successful trader in 2023. Follow the video till the end for a downloadable version you can print out and look at every day. This is the Trader's Psychology channel. Let's hop into our video. Learn the skill. Learning a new skill will always be difficult and overwhelming. So don't think that learning the skill of Forex trading will be any different. Everything will be new and confusing. You will make money and lose that money. Believe me, it sucks. You will need to learn not to be greedy, not to be afraid of losing money, and to get up every time after the many mistakes you will make in the beginning. It's going to be bloody hard. Or you can choose to skip that process and never learn Forex trading at all. And to skip the opportunity to ever reach the financial freedom you have always wanted for yourself. That sad reality will be bloody hard. So, in this very moment, you need to choose your hard. Never give up. If you chose to learn the skill of trading, knowing that it will be difficult, great. You took your first big step. You now need to vow to yourself that you will never give up, come what may. Remember, you have only failed once you give up completely. But while you are still trying, you are still working on your success. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of it. You need to commit to your vow by being disciplined. Discipline means doing what you need to, even if you do not feel like it. Always think of your end goal. You need to get up. You need to keep going. It is the only way. Your discipline will mean nothing if you are not consistent. You cannot become fit if you go to the gym once a month. But you will become fit if you go work out daily. Likewise, you will become a successful trader if you learn for X amount of time every single day. Have realistic expectations. You have to put in the work. No bodybuilder ever became ripped after a week's exercise in the gym. But they know. If they keep working out every day, slowly but surely their body starts forming, without them even noticing. It takes months if not years to get a bodybuilder's muscles. Similarly, it will take months to years to become a professional trader. Do not expect to become highly profitable within a month. If you set a realistic target, you will never become despondent and give up. You will keep going because you are prepared for a long journey. Set a very specific, yet realistic goal. Having a specific goal gives you an idea of how much money you need to generate. And knowing how much money you need to make will give you an idea of how much work you need to put in. Perhaps I am starting off with a $100 trading account. A realistic goal will then be to buy a new MacBook Pro 13 laptop in the next 3 months. I now have a realistic goal. I have to generate $1,500 within 3 months. I can now split this into a weekly goal, $125 a week. Or a daily goal, $25 a day. You can have a few small goals for the year. Or one big goal. Decide what you want to achieve in 2023. Lastly, write these goals down. There is something magical called manifestation when you write your goals down. Paste it on the wall in your room. Now it is not just some thought that can be replaced with another within a split second. It is now written down and made concrete. Look at your goals often. See yourself reaching that goal. Imagine how it feels to have it in your possession. Believe that you are worthy of reaching those goals, and that you are well on your way to making them a reality. These thoughts will keep you disciplined and consistent and determined to do what you have to reach your desires. This will possibly be the hardest thing you have ever taken on. But if you vow to follow your 2023 blueprint, it will definitely be the most rewarding thing you could ever do for yourself. You will become a profitable trader this year. Remember, learn the skill. Never give in no matter how hard it gets. Be disciplined. Be consistent. Be realistic. Set specific goals. Write your goals down. Make yourself proud. Pause the video and scan the code to get your printable 2023 Success Blueprint. Or follow the link in the description below. You got this. Thanks for watching till the end.